Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to make a review video, and the review video on LIVEN app. Is it really worth it or is it really not worth it? So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are on the liven.com, and the LIVEN app in 2015 present itself as a comprehensive mental wellness tool aiming to assist user in mood tracking, self-reflection and habit formation. Here is an in-depth look at its feature, benefit and potential drawback to help you determine if it is right fit for your needs. So I hope you understand what is the LIVEN.com. If I talk about the key feature, then I need to be mentioned that the mood tracking and emotional insist. LIVEN allow users to block their moods and emotions, providing with visual representation of emotional patterns over time. This feature aids in identifying triggers and understanding mood and fluctuation. So here you can see it, and they have the best feature, that is AI companion. Like LIVEN serves as an AI-driven conversational partner, guiding user through self-reflection exercise. While some users find levers prompts helpful for introspection, others feel the interactions can be generic. So it's totally vary on person by person. Then next feature will be short course and program. The app offer bite-sized course on topics like anxiety management, procrastination, self-esteem. They are designed to provide actionable insights and coping strategies. And next is productivity tool. LIVEN indicate or includes features like daily task list and soundscape to enhance focus on relaxation. So I hope you understand the feature, and I talk about the feature. If I talk about the pros and cons about these apps, then I need to mention the pros is the LIVEN.com is user-friendly interface. The app boasted clean design, making navigation initiative for users. As you can see the interface, you will understand. So if I click on login, then I will have the option for create an account. Also, it is comprehensive wellness approach by combining mood tracking, AI interaction, educational content and productivity tools. LIVEN offers a holistic approach to mental well-being. And next, personalized experience. Initial assessment help tailor the app content to individual user needs, enhancing relevance. And next, cons. Subscription model. While LIVEN offers a free version, many features require a premium subscription. Some users have expressed concern about the value proposition relative to the cost. And the next is generic content. Certain users feel that the app content lacks depth and personalization, which may limit its effectiveness for some individual. And let's talk about the customer support issue. There have been reports of difficulties in canceling subscription and obtaining refund, highlight potential customer service shortcomings. This is the drawback. So if I say about LIVEN offers a suite of tools aimed to enhancing mental wellness through self-reflection, education and habit formation. It is a user-friendly interface and comprehensive approach make it applying to those seeking improve their emotional well-being. However, potential users should be aware of subscription cost and reported customer service issues. It is advisable to explore the free version first to access its sustainability before committing to a premium plan. I hope you loved this video and it was a knowledgeable video for you. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.